So one of the mistakes that we make as a YouTuber is that we are not giving YouTube the opportunity to actually push out our videos on a daily basis. So if you're struggling with getting views, if you're struggling with getting subscribers, if you're struggling with, meeting up with partnership, if you're struggling, this is a secret that I learned and I just thought to come right now and, share this with you. Right? Because over time, it's one of the mistakes that I have also, been doing. I've not been giving YouTube the opportunity to actually, push out my videos. I've not been giving YouTube the opportunity to go and gather who my viewers are, right? Viewers for me so that when I put out videos, then they can actually, come and feed on that video, right? And that way, I have actually been limiting myself. So on this video, I'll be sharing with you what you need to do to actually get more views, to actually get more subscribers, to actually get people that will be interested in your videos, right? What you need to do to actually get them, right, before you actually put that videos on and let people to come and watch, right? So it's not about you, sharing the links to your videos. Okay, it's not about that. Okay, now what this will do for you is that it will help the algorithm to work in your favor. So the algorithm, once you put out that video, the algorithm will go, scouting for people that will be interested in that video that you just put out. And when that video goes live, then that video will be seen by them, even without you actually sharing the links, right? So that is what I'll be sharing with you on this video. Now, what do you need to do? Now, before you put out your video to go public, right? Don't put out your video to go public immediately. Okay, so whenever you upload your videos on YouTube, don't put that video to go public immediately. What you want to do instead is to actually schedule the video. Yes, that is one thing you want to do, schedule the video. So when you schedule the video, of course, you have optimized every area. You have added your titles, your description, your tags, and all of that, right? You have optimized the video itself. Then you put it on schedule for 24 hours. Now, what that is going to do for you is that it's going to give YouTube the opportunity for 24 hours to scout the platform, right? And to help you get the people that will be interested in the video that you have just uploaded. Okay, so YouTube will do this work for you in 24 hours, right? And after your video goes live, then those people that YouTube was able to gather will begin to feed on your videos. All right, they will begin to feed on your videos. So once they begin to feed on your videos, of course, your views is increasing, your subscriber list is increasing, then you can begin to share the link with your audience. Okay, so that's one of the things you want to do. Okay, so before you actually put your video to public, don't put it on unlisted even. Unlisted that means anybody that have the link to the video can actually have access to it. You don't want to give anybody access to the video. You only want to give YouTube access to the video. And how do you give YouTube access to the video is just for you to schedule the video. Okay, schedule the video for 24 hours, and when that video goes up, right, everybody that YouTube was able to meet, right, concerning that video will come and feed on that video. Then you can begin to share the link with your audience so that your audience can come and watch, and before you know it, your video will go viral. All right, so that's one of the mistakes that we are doing as a YouTuber, putting our videos up on YouTube immediately and sending it to the public. No, that is wrong, because we are not giving YouTube the opportunity to help us scout for our audience. We are not giving them the opportunity to help us reach our viewers, right? So we want to do things right this year. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you found this valuable, if this is something that you will be doing, right? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, until I see you again, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, right? On this channel, we'll talk everything about money, about getting customers, about getting sales, about growing your business. Okay, so if that is of interest to you, then do well to subscribe, join the family, so that whenever I put out a video like this, you will be the first to know. All right, guys, don't forget to share the video also. So I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao, ciao.